Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. The dosa which I am going to show you is a great combination of protein and fiber of quinoa with the vitamins and antioxidants of carrots. It is a great meal for a busy lifestyle. This is a nutritional and flavorful meal option. Here I used quinoa instead of rice, making it a high protein and fiber rich meal. It is a diabetic friendly, vegan, gluten free and weight loss dosa. So today I want to share a healthy protein and fiber rich carrot, quinoa and oats dosa. You can have this for breakfast or dinner. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a large bowl, add 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of masoor dal, 1 cup of rolled oats and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Add some water into it and rinse it well 3 to 4 times. Discard the water after each rinse. Make sure to wash the quinoa very well to get rid of the excess bitterness from it. See, the quinoa, oats and dal is washed well. Then again add some water into it and soak it for only half an hour. After half an hour, see the quinoa, dal and oats are well soaked. Then discard the water. Now transfer it into a mixer jar and then add 1 tablespoon of jeera, 2 shallots, 2 big green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 1 big size carrot pieces and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add some water, cover the lid and grind into a smooth batter. There is no need to ferment this batter, you can directly prepare your dosas. So add some water into it, mix and stir it well and make it into a pouring consistency. Keep it aside. Grease the pan with very little oil and heat it. Now pour 1 big ladle full of batter at the center and immediately start spreading in a circular motion into a thin dosa. Cook it well for a minute on one side. Then flip it over and cook for a few seconds on the other side. Flip it again, fold it and take it into a serving plate. Here I am making another dosa without adding any oil. Now your healthy protein and fiber rich carrot, quinoa and oats dosa is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.